The flower stand on Fun with Flowers and Jay is provided by Golden Flowers.
Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Reliant Ribbons, Bows, and Trims.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, we've got a great solution for ribbon for outdoors that you need to hold its shape for the holidays. New commercial lame and velvet, available from Reliant Ribbon. Ribbon can sometimes be a challenge for the holidays, but Reliant Ribbon has us covered with their new commercial-grade velvet and lame ribbons. Many times we have to do decorations where we need to make sure the ribbon is nice and durable and it's not going to change the decorative elements it has. Or we have to go outside and we need to be weather resistant. Enter commercial grade velvet and lame from Reliant Ribbon. This is some really tough ribbon. I know that many times people have even told me they've backed ribbon with chicken wire. You don't have to worry about it with this. Look at how this ribbon holds its shape. We're talking about a ribbon that's nice and tough. Look at that. It holds out all on its own. So I'm going to show you a couple things that you can do with it today. We'll make a bow, and we'll also attach it to a wreath. This is a great idea for the holidays. Commercial velvet is a Reliant Ribbon exclusive. Other companies have wired-edged velvet, but Reliant is the only company selling velvet with a high-gauge wire. Reliant's commercial velvet is available with a gold edge or a matching edge. It gives the designer more choices and freedom to select a ribbon that will complement our designs in the best possible way. Both the commercial velvet and the commercial lame have a high-gauge wire. The thicker wire in the edge gives the ribbon a strong hold once it's molded into shape. The firmness of the ribbon makes it great for outdoor use. It's ideal for your outdoor display work. The commercial velvet has a plastic backing. The plastic backing makes the ribbon weather resistant, making it suitable for outdoor use as well as indoor use. Both the commercial velvet and commercial lame are available in 2.5, 4, and 6-inch widths. These wider widths are ideal for outdoor display work, and it's often hard to come by ribbon this wide. So if you're looking for a great ribbon that's going to be wonderful for display, indoor, outdoor, and hold its shape, the commercial lame and velvet available from Reliant Ribbon is your solution for the holidays. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.